Hello guys, so this is how to add a Pinterest widget to your iPhone. So first thing you're gonna need to do is click and hold anywhere on the screen that isn't an app. And once you do that, you're gonna find a button at the top left corner that has a plus sign. So just click on it. And then you're gonna find a bunch of widgets that you can choose from. And if you scroll down, all the way down till you find Pinterest, there it is. Click on it. You're gonna find a bunch of Pinterest widgets that you can choose from. So you can have the home feed widgets or the boards widgets or the interests. So just choose whatever widget you like the most. I'll choose one of the boards, for example, and then click on the add widget button at the bottom. And once you do that, you can just click on done at the top right corner. And if you want to edit the widget itself, all you need to do is just click and hold on the widget and then click on edit widget. Now, once you do that, you can edit the user or the board or the update time, the frequency itself that the widget updates by. And yeah, this is how easy it is. This is how to add a Pinterest widget to your iPhone.